Hi guys, today's session is Identity Access Management of AWS. I will show you how to create user, how to create groups, how to add the groups on particular users, how to create the rights. Okay, so let us go to the next session for more practical stuff in IAM. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create the IAM roles, IAM user. From IAM, how you will create the user. So initial lesson will be mine is to create the user from the graphical user interface, sign into the console, and from there I will create the user. Then later on I will create the user from the CLI. So let me log into the AWS console. I have to log in from the root account. So now the management console. Now I will go to the services, all the services. So I have to go to security, identity, and compliance. To go to IAM. So there are. This is the IAM console, IAM screen. Okay. So already there are 5 users are there. So I will create. I wanted to show you by creating, adding the one more user. Okay. So let me use Depanjan 06 is a user. You can add multiple users also from add another user. So I am not adding now. Okay, so programmatic access. Programmatic access is basically it will generate the access key ID and secret access key, which used for using the CLI and cloud formation script to or SDK software development kit, AWS soft SDK. If you are working all those lines, then you require this access key ID and secret access. So and this is the AWS management console access. So you will get the graphical user access. See here, auto-generated password is also there. Custom password is also there. So you choose from your. If you are choosing the auto-generated password, it will generate the password. Okay. So I am just uh, doing the auto-generate password. Okay. And you must create a new password at the next sign-in. You have to click. By default, it will be checked. So better you check and go ahead. So there is a group. So I have already created one group. So I will create one more group. Okay. So I will create the group name as a CIO. Okay. And I will add the policy, create the policy for the group. So what I will be doing, choose a service. So I will create billing service. So all billing service across the portal. Then you want to see the JSON scripts, you can see from the AWS portal. Access level. I don't require the MFA. MFA is nothing but a multi-factor authentication. So it is asking for some condition like require user to authenticate with an FMK device. I am not using now. I will show you in next session. So now action. Okay. Just a minute. From here first you need to suppose if you want to give the billing access to that particular user, then you need to go there first. Then okay, I will show you the billing one later on. Okay, let us take the S3 access. I will show you the billing. Suppose I want to give only the S3 full access. Okay, S3 not S3 read only access. I will give the only S3 read only access, and I will give him EC2 EC2 read only access. Okay, reports. So EC2. No, I will give only read only access of EC2. Create group. I have created the group. Next tags. Then we can mention the name CIO DBNJL PHAKRA PURTY. My mail ID is SEDETAL dot CLUB support ORT at the club. So going ahead with the next, I have created the user, and this will I have created the user Debanjan06, and this will give download CSV. Basically, I have last class I have shown you that secret access key and access key you need to uh, get after downloading this CSV. Okay, so I will download. So I'm not using that particular access key. Okay, so last time I have shown you how to configure the CSV. Okay, so I've downloaded and now my user has been created. Okay, so let me go to the user flow. So my user Debanjan06 has been created and this is the recent user. Okay, so I must got my credential, right? So in the download, I just give credential. Okay, fine. Let me security credential is enabled console password. So enable auto keep existing password. No, auto generated password. I will. There must show. So this is the password. Okay, if you want to download, you can download credential 9. Remember credential 9. So this is the password. So close. So you just open this credential 9. So you get the password generated. So this is the password. So I will log out from the root session. Okay. Now what I will do, I will log out from the root. I will now log in through sign into different access. So username is Debanjan06. 6. Next. So no, I have to give here the account ID. Okay, so this is my account ID. I will show you how we will get the account ID. This is the account ID. This is the username 06 and the password is there. So now it is asking to change the password. I will old password. I am keeping one password. I am changing the password. Okay. So I have changed my password and now this is the see from here you can find this is the different Debanjan06 user ID. Okay. And now and see this is This is my account ID. 3673 it is showing here. So now I will go to S3. So I have read only access. Okay. So if I want to upload something, some files, suppose I want to upload this file. Upload. It is showing error because I don't have rights to upload any file. So I cannot upload. So similarly, you cannot create any, so you want to create any folder. Suppose they burn test folder, this is dev 06. This is I am in the S3. Okay. Suppose I want to create some folder. Failed to create folder with this. Why? Because I don't have any access. Okay. Suppose I want to change this. Okay. So I have to go to the, I have to sign out from here. I have to give the, I will log in again. I will, you can now, so I am logging again in from the root account. Okay. What happened? Okay. So I have logged in to my again main AWS console from the root account, and what I will do, I will go to, see, so now I will go to the services and I will modify my group rights. Okay. This is the group. So what I will do, I have mentioned CIO. Amazon is S3 read only access. So I will delete this. I will detach this policy and I will attach Amazon S3 full access. S3 full access. So I will attach this policy. So users Amazon S3 policy access is there and read only access of EC2. Okay, so now again I will log. So I wanted to show you from where you get this link. Okay, so you go to dashboard. Here, this is the link. You don't have to log in. You just take this link, copy this link, and put in the Internet Explorer. It will go directly to the login console with the account ID. So this is the account ID. Now again, now if you log in, then at the rate, so I have logged in. Now you go to S3. Now you want to upload. You want to upload something called, now it has been uploaded. Now there is no error, right? So similarly, now I will go to the EC2. Okay. So zero instance running. Suppose I want to launch instance. I have created this. I am choosing this AMI, and I am just going through T2 micro. Okay. Security will something. Launch failed. Why? Because I have not given the access. So launch failed. You are not authorized to perform this operation. So what you will see, only you can see the all this detail. So suppose if you want to see how many EC2 instances are there, so you can go to the instance dashboard. You can see here all the machines are stopped. So this is called. So if I will give, so now one more thing I wanted to tell you, how will, suppose as a CIO I want to see the billing information. Okay, obviously CIO wanted to know. So for that I have to, just a minute. So here what I will be doing, I am logging out, and I will log into the main screen. So sign into this console. So I will go to the IAM. I have created one group called billing. Okay. So I will go to the user 6 and user 6. I will no. I will go to the group HOD. Okay. Billing view access. So I will add this group for my current user. Okay. So I will billing view access. I will remove this S3. Okay. And let me go to the user. I will no. Okay. What we'll do, I will show you in the next class. So billing how to give the billing access. So now I will show you the CLI. Now let me go to the Unix machine, and this is my target server. How to give the billing rights, I will show you later. Okay, so this is the, let me log in from the page. Okay. I will show you the CLI command for IAM. So we want to see, so how many users. See, IAM users, if you want to see from the CLI, so you just give this command. It will show you the list of users. So the syntax is AWS IAM list hyphen users. So these are the users. So these three users doesn't have password. Basically, it is the programmatic access. Okay, and you cannot log in from the console. And these users just today I have created. Okay, so like if you want to create user, so to list the user, this is the command. I am list user output table. Suppose again you want to create some user or create some user. Okay, so what is the command? AWS I am create user username. I am giving Devanjan 7. So user has been created. So now I want to create a group. So if you want to see AWS IAM LIST user output table. Right? Output I am list hyphen user IAM list hyphen user. Get list users. That's the reason the all these users. It is in JSON format, so you need to table format so that you can read, because from here also you can read. Okay, so I am giving table format. So this is the user I have created just now. Okay, programmatic access. Okay, so now I will create a group also. So what is the command? AWS IAM, here I create group manager 2. Sorry, create group. AWS IAM create group name, name equal to So group has been created. I will add this group to. So see, this is the group ID. I will add this user to particular group, manager 2 में. I will add this. So I will add basically add user to group. This is the command, add user to group. Username Debanjan 7 and group name manager 2. Okay, so AWS IAM add user to group. User to group second user name DBN 07 year name manager 2. So now if you can see this my list second users output table. Okay. So now I want to see the which group am list group output table. So manager 2 is a group detail. Okay. So I will show you the which group this particular user. Wherever I am get group name manager output table. See. So I will have manager 2. So here it is showing Debanjan 7. So here I can show you in the graphical user. You can see this new user has been created. So here I have to go. See, this is the user has been created. And this is assigned with this. So this is a programmable. You can give password also. Now it is a programmable. So that's the reason console password is given. So hope you understand the IAM, how to create the user, how to create the group. I will show you in advance how to create policies, how to create the roles in my next class. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next session. Thank you. So I wanted to show the now if you log out from the main session and if you try to log in, you will log in from the different account. So PGNGN06. So I told you that I will show you the billing information how we will get in apart from root access where we will in other user how we will get the billing access. So now if we go to the Debanjan 06 as a CIO group, if you want to check your billing, you cannot see. Generally, for that you need to create. Okay. So what I will do, so here if you see the billing information, so you need permission, you don't have permission to access billing, so contractor. So I want to give the billing permission to the CIO group. Okay. So just wait. So I will log out, I will go to the root session. So I will log in. I will log into the root session. Net is very slow. So I have logged in. Now I want to show you how to create. So I let us go through this document. So getting access to the billing. So you have to go through this document. So first you go to in your console. You go to your my account. So you go to IAM user and role access to billing information. So you have to give edit, activate IAM access. This thing you need to update. So once you have updated, then after that you need to go to create policy. You have to in the navigation pan, you need to go there and create policy. What policy you will be creating? So it is mentioned here. Choose billing. Okay. So choose a service. You have to choose service with billing. So then it is asking. It will ask for choose billing following the step. Choose select action and then select the all the action stars. So full access. You want the full access, right? So all billing access. Then what is saying? Then choose review policy. Okay. So review policy. Now here you need to give some name. The name billing full access. So copy this name into their billing full access. Okay. Full access. I have created sometimes back also the same name. I don't think underscore one. Create policy. Now billing full access underscore one has been created. Then on the then repeat steps 3 and 4. And again you need to view access. Create policies. To the service. Billing. View access already. So one is billing full access. Now select use 3 and 4. 4 is use billing. Okay. Select action. I have chosen read. It has already I have already chosen. Then now review the policy. Billing view access customer. View access underscore. So create policy. So billing view access, billing full access. I have done. Now now so I will attach this policy to the group. So my group is CIO. So my group is here. No? So I have to add here. Attach policy. So billing, view access, billing full access. Okay. So now my user will promote this. So if I'll go to my dashboard, I will see my user CIO group. Okay. So now I will log out and try to log in from Debanjan06. So I have to give this ID here. Okay, give this ID and so here. Ah, now I think billing information should come. See, all the billing information is there. You can see month to date spent by service, bill detail, nothing. So data transfer. So it is a 750 hours free account. So that's the reason there is nothing has been filled. It is still. So from here, what you can see, I have shown you today. One is S3 access. How will give the access to create the S3 folder, S3 directory, and uploading the file. The second, I have shown you how to restrict the EC2 instance. You cannot create the EC2 instance from your the particular user ID where you have not given the rights. Third, I have shown you can suppose is a super user if he wanted to like CIO is a super user, super user. So he wanted to see what is the billing information. Okay, so that's the reason I have given the billing access to him. Okay. Fourth, I have shown you the CLI, how to create the user, how to create the group from the CLI. So thank you guys. So we will meet in the next session for cloud formation script. My next session will be the cloud formation script. I will be using YAML to create the uh, cloud formation script. I will show you how we will create the instance from the cloud formation. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed the class. See you on the next session.